Is 570 divisible by 6? Let's find it out. Yes. Do you know why? Here is the divisibility rule. Read it loud. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. It is divisible by 3. The sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Now try this rule on 570. First check if 570 is divisible by 2. Look at the ones digit. Yeah, the ones digit is 0, so the number is divisible by 2. Now check 570 is divisible by 3. Find the sum of the digits. 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Yes, so the number is divisible by 3. The rule says 570 is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, read this loud. Okay, check this again. Okay, one more sum. Is 1180 divisible by 10? Pause the video and know the rule. The answer is yes. Do you know why? A number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Now try this rule on 1180. Look at the ones digit. What is it? 0. The ones digit is 0. The rule says that 1180 is divisible by 10. Remember the rule. Is 5616 divisible by 9? Is it? Pause the video and try it out. The correct answer is yes. Do you know why? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Now try this rule on 5616. Find the sum of the digits. It's 18. 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 6. 18 is divisible by 9. The rule says 5616 is divisible by 9. 4582 divisible by 3. The answer is yes. No. The answer is no. It is not divisible by 3. The reason is the number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Now try the rule on 4582. Find the sum of the digits. 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2 is 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. The rule says that 4582 is not divisible by 3. Is 801 divisible by 2? Answer is obvious. The answer is no. You know the reason? The number is divisible by 2 if its one digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now try this rule on 801. Look at the ones digit. Ones digit is 1. The rule says that 801 is not divisible by 2. Is 783 divisible by 9? The answer is good job. The answer is yes. Because a number is divisible by 9, the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Now try the rule 783. 7 plus 8 plus 3 is 18. 18 is divisible by 9 2 times, right? The rule says 783 is divisible by 9. Is 54,101 divisible by 3? And pause the video and apply the rule. The answer is no. Do you know why? Do you know the rule? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Now apply the rule on 54,101. Find the sum. 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 equal to how much? 11. Is 11 divisible by 3? No. So the rule says that 5401 is not divisible by 3. One more. Is 49,788 divisible by 6? Pause the video, apply the rule. Answer is yes. Do you know why? Remember the rule? What does the rule say? Read this loud. A number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by both 2 and 3. It's divisible by 2 if its ones digits is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Right? It's divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. 2 steps. Now try this rule on this number. First check if this number is divisible by 2. Look at the ones digit. Yes, it's the ones digits is 8. So the number is divisible by 2. Now check if the sum of the digits. 4 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 is 36. So 36 is divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 3. Correct? So the rule says that 49,788 is divisible by 6. Good job. Is 689 divisible by 4? Apply the rule. The answer is yes. The answer is no. Do you know why? The number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. This is the divisibility rule for 4. Now try this rule on 689. Look at the number formed by the last 2 digits. These are the last 2 digits. Is 89. 89 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, the rule says that 689 is not divisible by 4. The last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Remember the rule. Is 6409, 6409 divisible by 2? Pause the video and find the answer. The answer is no. Do you know why? Number is divisible by 2 if its one digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Apply this rule. The ones digit is 9. The rule says that 6,409 is not divisible by 2. 834 divisible by 6. Answer is yes. Do you know why? Do you know the divisibility rule? Read this loud. 2 steps. First see if it is divisible by 2. Yes. Look at the ones digit. It's divisible by 2 because it's 4. The number is divisible by 2. Now check if the sum of this number is 8 plus 3 plus 4 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 3. The rule says that 834 is divisible by 6 as per rule. 82,772 divisible by 4. Pause the video and apply the rule. The answer is yes. Let's see how. Read this rule aloud. Pause the video. Now apply the rule on 8,272. Look at the last 2 digits. 72 is divisible by 4. Yes. You can divide 72 by 4 completely. The rule says 82,772 is divisible by 4. Good job. Is 38,847 divisible by 10. 38,849. Answer is no. Do you know the reason? Number is divisible by 10 if its ones digits is 0. Now try this rule. Look at the ones digit. The ones digit is 9. The rule says that 38,849 is not divisible by 10. Is 280 divisible by 2? Good. The answer is yes. You know why? Read this rule aloud. Apply this rule. Okay. Good job. Is 7338 divisible by 9. Let's see the answer. Are you ready? The answer is no. Do you know why?